Why does your scanner show the P2113 engine code? What does it mean? P2113 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor B, minimum stop performance. The P2113 engine code for indicate. Your car's engine computer has detected that the electronic throttle body or the accelerator pedal isn't resting at or returning to its fully closed, minimum position as expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle position sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, carbon buildup in the throttle body, failed throttle actuator motor, powertrain control module (PCM or ECU) glitch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Hyundai, Kia, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.